Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher. You're inside the stitchery and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi, I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition and a stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. We've got baking, we've got cooking, we've got art, we've got crafting, we've got stuff with textiles, we've got animation, movie talk, all kinds of stuff on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much. Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hi, happy WIP Wednesday. I haven't done one of these in a while, so here we go. WIP, by the way, is a work in progress, in case you're new to the crochet lingo. And these are just things that I've been working on, so enjoy. First, we have this, oh my gosh, I've been working on this for 4 years, 5 years, a while. This is the Premier Puzzle yarn in the color Hangman. They're all named after different games. And this is a pocket shawl for my mother. She picked the color. So yeah, been working on that for a while. It's my pattern. I'm just playing around with ideas and stuff. Right now I'm just making the base and then I'll figure out what I want to do for the pockets. I feel like I knocked something. I did. Poor Luna. There we go. Her next to Ariel. Okay. So I've been working on this for several years for my mother. She wants a pocket shawl. So yeah. I think I'm using a 6.5 millimeter hook, I want to say. And then this is a 5 weight. So yeah, I've gone through about 1 puzzle skein already, I think. And then this is my second one. Yeah, so working on that. Hopefully I'll have it finished this year. Anyway, I'm also working on the Wicked blanket, which I started in January. And I'm collecting my my yarn wrappers, so I know how many skeins I used and stuff. And I don't know why this is all tangled. Okay. I'll just do that. So I've got 2 already. I'm on the 3rd, and I think there's going to be a 4th as well. So this is the Glinda side. So I am going to make a giant, hopefully a square blanket, and it will be diagonally cut in half, with half being the Glinda side and half being the Alphaba side. So this is the Glinda side. So it's pink and black. And I like using variegated yarns when I do blankets because, or shawls, because I just let the colors just happen. You know, the only thing I'm controlling is how much I use. So this is the pink and black side, the Glinda side. And this is the, sorry, it's Big Twist. The Big Twist Rave. And a sticker, okay. Big Twist Rave in the color Scene Queen. So I'm just letting it do its thing. I don't know what happened here. I don't know what that is. I'll figure that out in a second. Okay. Anyway, I'm using these for the Glinda side, and then I have the green and black one. I think it's called Electric Slime. That one is the Alphaba side, so haven't gotten there yet. So this is my third cake, and I think I'm gonna have to use a fourth cake. This is 312 yards. It's a 4-weight yarn, I believe. Yeah, it's a 4-weight yarn. It's a little bit on the thicker side, slightly, but it is kind of a roving yarn, so the thin to thickness kind of changes just slightly. So I treat it as a 4-weight yarn. And it says it is, but it acts like a 5 sometimes. So anyway, I use a 6mm hook. Yes, it's a total coincidence that the hook is pink too. Okay, they're color coded. So this is a WIP Crochet dots. You see me use these in a lot of my tutorials because I love these hooks, especially for tutorials. So smooth. I love it. Anyway, so I'm using that to make this blanket. So I don't like to make blankets, but C to C I don't mind as much because corner to corner, if you don't know what C to C is fairly fast. Kinda. I'm a really slow crocheter, so this is why I make tiny things. And I keep it in this beautiful little Glinda themed bag from Target that my friend Heather got me for my birthday. Thank you, Heather. Or maybe it was Christmas. I don't know. She got it for me. I'm excited to see what they have this year for Target merch for the second movie. I don't know. I am also working on kit reviews. Not showing you what I'm working on specifically, but I will show you the book. Okay. And I don't have the book in here. I kind of lost the book in this mess. So, but I'm also working on the Star Wars one. So, I'll show you. There, can you guess what it is? Okay. So I'm working on those 2 reviews as well. I'm working on a Foobles episode. It's gonna take multiple parts, so multiple videos for you. You guys are lucky. Yeah, but it's gonna take a bit to make, so I'm working on it. I'm also working on a couple of yarn reviews and some tool reviews. So I've got something here, you might be able to see it. I've got something coming from a company, that's exciting. And yeah, I've got some tools and gadgets that I'm gonna review soon, so I'm excited about that. Hi, I know we're doing WIP Wednesday, but I got some Happy Mail and I thought I'd squeeze it in here. This is from a sweet subscriber named Carol. Thank you, Carol. Ooh. Oh good, there's a note. Okay. Here's a little something I thought you might like to try when sending some of your cute handmade cards to your friends. I hope you enjoy it. Regards, Carol, aka Not At All in YouTube comments. Okay. Well, thank you very much, Carol. I'm excited. Oh my gosh! It's wax! Ah! Oh, this is so fun! It's beautiful wax melts. Ooh. Let me take a wild guess what this is. Let's see. No way! I thought it was like an S or something. It's a corgi! Can you see? Yes. Yes, I will be doing this. My friends will be bombarded with corgi mail. Oh my gosh, thank you. This is so cute. I didn't even know corgi stamps existed. This is so cute. Thank you, Carol. I am excited. I will definitely do a video when I figured it out. Or maybe I'll let you see the process of me figuring it out. This is so sweet. Thank you so much. Y'all never have to send happy mail, but it's much appreciated when you do. So thank you so much, Carol. And now back to WIP Wednesday.
Just a quick reminder, there's a lot happening this week. Don't miss any of these videos.
That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little WIP Wednesday. What are you working on? Tell me down in the comments down below. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too.